Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Like I told you that I will be introducing good trading strategies that will support, of course, your trading career once you get used to them, of course, because it all requires patience. This is what I call support and resistance strategy. I usually trade this strategy with a 30 minutes chart on daily basis. So what you do is to apply the fractals, as you can see in this chart, because the fractals at least sometimes helps a lot to indicate and of course assist in them, finding out where the market reversed or tends to reverse. So when you look at this place, this is just one of the accounts, but this one is newly funded. When you look at this, you find out that the two powerful moving averages crossed from this place. So ever since then, the market has remained up on 30 minutes chart till today, as about how many weeks. So what you do here is, once the market crossed the very first time or the day, you wait. So on your process of waiting, what you should be keen is looking at where the market retraces for the day. Make sure that you exercise patience for it to retrace at least either to the red 300 linear weighted moving average. Of course, I will show you how to set it, or that you find it developed this W platform in this place, because definitely it usually develop it or either develop bullish engulfing candle like this particular candle stick to indicate the movement of the market for the day. So that is why I make the market on daily basis. So what you do is, once it retraces, exercise some patience for it to develop a bullish engulfing candle. It's like this. Look at this here. And of course, you can see the tiny moving average is just the 10 moving average, which are used to control the, or either take critical look at the movement of the market in respect to the trend. You look at the bullish engulfing candle, look at this the other day. So it's just what I use on daily basis to follow up the market. So as you can see today, what happened, it is just Monday, so that's why I set my TP to close, so I don't want to wait, because mostly I don't trade on Mondays. So I used to wait patiently for Tuesday or Wednesday when the market have developed a trend. So, but as you can see here, the W format, this is where of course the market opens for the day. So you can see it's like the lines which I usually show in all the videos I make. You can click my channel to find out those videos. These lines indicates where the market close for the day and where it opens for the day. Close for the day, opens for the day is like, just like that. So wherever the market is going to close for the day today and open for the next day, this line is still going to develop as well. So whenever this line, you watch the market to close from where this line developed, as you can see. So I waited for the market to first of all create this first bullish bullish engulfing candle, so I waited for it to develop the W format, indicating that the market is still powerfully going up. So in line with what happened last week, so that is how I made my entry. As you can see, that the profit has been taken. You can take a look at this. This is just today alone. Just this morning, you can check the time where the profit was taken. So I have not even traded at all. So, but you can see the profit. So what you do is go to the F key. So as you can see, I'm actually using the 3 moving averages, but it's 2 of them that are very relevant, which is as you can see, the 300 linear moving average. You will set it the period to 300, method to linear weighted, then apply weighted close. So you can choose the color of your choice. Then you go to the second one and set it to 100, of course, linear weighted and previous indicators data. So just like that, there's no stress about it. Then you come down to this place. This one, like I told you, is just the 10 moving average, which I use to know the proper actually place to make the entry. So when you look at this place, let me show you why I use the 10 moving averages. When you look at this place where the market retraced down to the 300 and 100 moving average, of course the 10 moving average came down along with them, and once you wait for these bullish engulfing candles, sometimes when it wants to indicate powerful trend to the market, it's usually develop more than 3 times, once it crosses above the 10 moving average. So, and of course, look at this place, developed 1, 2, 3, and of course retrace and develop the final one, which kicked the market up. So don't mind this particular area. This thing you see that happen here, spiking up and down, is all about the what's it called, the NFP that happened last week. So that is what happens. Even when there is news in the market, do not expect the news to go against the setup, which is the 300 and 100 moving average. So because even if the market goes against them during news, the implication is that it's going to speedily come up again with full force, in retracement. So that is why you see that some people that trade the fundamentals, once they properly dictate and set the market, they set their sales or either buys, and immediately after the news they take their profit. And those who refuse to take their profit, being greed, this is what happens against them. The market will automatically turn against them, and of course they'll be imagining, oh, this news failed. That is not the reason. The reason is because of this kind of setup. So on the next video I will teach you properly how to set these indicators down here and what they do along with this setup. So I just want to briefly do this, so you enjoy your trading day. And of course you can set up this chart, and of course take a critical look at your chart and make a good trade from today. Of course, as you can see the profit I made this morning. So thank you for watching, and wait for the next video.